It's a 2015 Acura TLX. It takes the journey, not the destination cliché, and maximizes that experience. Everything becomes effortless. With precision all-wheel steer, agile handling assist system, and integrated dynamic system, providing a unique and responsive driving experience. This TLX also provides the technology you crave with keyless access, an on-demand multi-use display, heated seats, a multi-view rear-view camera, and dual-eye LED headlights.
The soundtrack of your life comes through crystal clear with the premium Acura ELS sound system. Crank up the tunes and hit the road. Ward off the chills with the heated seats. With HomeLink, one touch makes your arrival as welcoming as if you'd never left.
Let the rhythm of the road take you when you test drive this TLX today.
Pohanka Acura is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13911 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.